Alright guys, I'm at the range. I've got a Smith & Wesson 38 Special, so I'm loaded, a brick, and a box of GI issue 130 grain ball ammunition. And I'm going to shoot this brick with this 38 Special and see what it does. So get ready, folks. Alright, so this is a Smith & Wesson pre-Model 10 K-frame, and let's see here, I've got my bullets, just 38 ball, like what they carried in NAM, or I think Operation Desert Storm. And this is loaded kind of light, from what I've read, because they didn't want it going through walls, and they wanted to prolong the life of their, the service life of their revolvers. So, with that in mind, it's not the most powerful round, but we're going to see what it does to a brick. I'm going to be standing about 30 feet back or so. This stuff really is not all that accurate, but I'll do my best. Okay. It only took me one shot to hit it, which surprises me, to say the least. I just empty the gun. See, there's nothing in the chamber. She's empty. But we're going to have to treat her like she's loaded. Alright, so let's see the damage we done. Hold on. Okay, so the bullet hit here, and it looks like the surface of the brick there where it hit is still intact. It's not removed. Here is what appears to be part of the bullet, I think. Just a little chunk of lead, probably maybe weighs 18-20 grains, probably. And it looked like it just cracked it right here. Didn't do too much. It's kind of powdery, falling apart. So that was an interesting experiment. Wow, I thought that 38 Special would do something more, but look, I mean, it just chipped it. It chipped it. So, I know some of you are thinking, oh, I'll just get some 38 ball. That's super cheap, and I could use it for self-defense. I'm going to say right away, I would advise against doing that. So, I've got this plate set up, and I'm going to try and do a little bit of an accuracy test, a little informal. So, let's get started here, shall we? Alright, so I have my steel plate target set up at right here near the berm. Let me just stand it up on the brick. That son of a bitch sturdier than hell. That brick is, you could say, bulletproof, or more or less bullet resistant. I'm going to zoom in on the target. Oops. I'm going to restart and then zoom in on the target. Okay, now we're all zoomed in, and I'm just going to take 6 shots from about 30 feet, I guess. That sounds good. It's not an accurate target ammo or anything, but we'll just go for it. Miss. Alright, so fired all 6 rounds. Gotta pick up my cases. So, empty. Checking. And let's check out the group I did. I missed twice, but I know 2 2 of them hit. I think that this might be 2. I'm not sure. Or no, that's 1. So boom, 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 boom. And I was like 20 feet away. So that really isn't really target ammo by any stretch of the imagination. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it entertaining and educational. Yeah, until next time.